Welcome back, friends. This time I'm taking you somewhere very near to Delhi as this is my weekend trip. Can you guess it? I love Madhya Pradesh and I have heard Gwalior is a beautiful royal city. The Taj welcome, we call it Tajness. How royal. So this property was a palace before and Taj Hotels have taken it over and look how beautifully they have converted it. I am loving the interiors. Let us explore more about this place. Look at that water fountain in the middle of this open air sitting area. So royal. So how do you like this place?
I like it. It's very green. It's like more than 100-year-old property. So I love it.
Why royal? Because this was built in 1902 for the guest residence Prince of Wales. And later on it became guest house of Jairao Scindia. Ancient temple, can you see that? It must be hundreds of years old. I have to see some ritual or puja happening there, but in the meantime, I want to walk because this is very green property. So did I tell you guys this was my monsoon trip? I love Indian monsoon and traveling. आपने मेरा जोधपुर vlog देखा होगा, that was also in monsoon. And I prefer going in rainy season to some ancient or beautiful royal place. Gwalior looked like a great destination to me. Look at this property and this area. It is so royal. मुझे पता था कि there will be certain royal touch to my stay, but इतना सुंदर होगा ये मैंने नहीं सोचा था. It is like a fairy tale. अब रेनी वेदर में रूफ टॉप पे नहीं जाए ये नहीं हो सकता. लेट मी गो अप एंड सी द व्यू फ्रॉम टॉप. This beautiful landscape. It is reminding me of Jodhpur trip. If you remember, I was staying on a rooftop in Jodhpur. और यहाँ के व्यूज भी बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं. ग्रीनरी है. And do I see a fort here? थोड़ा टाइम मैंने यहाँ पर स्पेंड किया because I was waiting for a beautiful night. रात में ये टेम्पल ओपन हो गया था. It was Ganesh Ji temple and I was lucky to have experienced this exclusive puja ritual. इसीलिए ताज होटल is one of my favorite chains in India. They make your stay so memorable. It was dinner time and they are preparing some exclusive thali for us. Indian या Nepalese थाली के बीच में हमें चॉइस करनी थी and we chose Nepalese थाली and it was so delicious. नेक्स्ट डे इट वॉज रेनिंग. मानसून में ट्रैवल करके रेन का मजा नहीं ले ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. आई वॉन्टेड टू जस्ट रिलैक्स एंड लिसन टू दिस ब्यूटिफुल रेनी साउंड. स्विमिंग पूल एंड स्पा टाइम. रेन की वजह से मैं पूल में नहीं जा पाई बट दिस व्यू है वॉज अगेन वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. इतना अच्छा वेदर था. मैंने टूरिस्टी विजिट्स थोड़ी डिले करी एंड आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर दिस प्रॉपर्टी इन रेन. I was chilling and enjoying here. and it was the right decision. अब देखते हैं रेन में ये प्रॉपर्टी कैसी लगती है. I was walking from one place to another and it was soon time for my favorite food, that was parathas. बरसात और चाय और क्या चाहिए. Check out this 100-year-old billiard table. Even this is an attraction here. Time to step out of this hotel. Time to explore some of Gwalior city. My first destination was this museum, which was just 5 minutes walk from my hotel. Welcome to Jai Vilas Palace. This is a museum and it has a collection of various artifacts from former Maharajas of Gwalior. Look at those amazing carvings on the wall. The Scindias were really royal. You can find crystal fountains, chandeliers, paintings, trains and various other artifacts in memory of Maharaja Madhavrao Scindia here. Temples of Gwalior are a must visit. We go to Sahasrabahu temple, which is also called as Sasbahu temple, and it was reminding me of Khajuraho. Look at these beautiful intricate carvings on this wall. Another temple is called as Teli temple. It was also very grand. Next we visited famous Gurudwara, and after that we were going to famous Gwalior fort. But look at the way to the fort. It was like entering into history. This path in rain was like magic. The fort is on a hilltop and we are driving up. One of the most memorable part was about to happen. We were crossing the Gopachal caves. These are rock-cut monuments called as Gopachal Jain temples and are on the way to the fort. This statue of Adinatha is 58 feet long. तो फोर्ट जाने के पहले थोड़ा टाइम इन केव्स में भी निकालना जरूरी है. We stepped out and I just did a small trekking exploring this beautiful area. केव्स के बाद हम फटाफट फोर्ट में पहुंचे and this is the view from above. फोर्ट अंदर से इतना क्लीन नहीं था. मुझे याद है जोधपुर का फोर्ट काफी वेल मेंटेन था, बट बाहर से इट लुक्ड सो ब्यूटीफुल. फोर्ट एरिया काफी सुंदर था. ब्लू कलर ऑन टाइल्स वाज मेकिंग इट लुक वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर फोर्ट्स दैट आई हैव सीन. We took a local guide to know more about the history of this place. जाने के पहले एक और लुक इस ब्यूटीफुल फोर्ट का, जिसकी वजह से मैंने ये ट्रिप बनाया था. That blue color leaves some mark on me. Thank you for joining me in this trip. Subscribe to Travel Box.